You can stop buying these things when it's time to top those delicious desserts. Make your own homemade whipped cream, totally worth it. To make homemade whipped cream, you only need heavy cream, a little sugar, and vanilla. That's 3 ingredients. You can even make it without the vanilla if you want. Let's take a look at how many ingredients are on this. 12. There's not even cream in this. 14-ish ingredients. Have I convinced you yet? Let's make it. First things first, to simplify this process, chill your bowl before you start. This just helps. You want cold whipped cream, and when it's cold, it all happens a little bit faster. Into the cold bowl goes cold, heavy cream. I'm gonna whip my cream until it's really frothy, and then I'll start adding in a little powdered sugar and vanilla. Once you get to this point, it's gonna start happening fast, so pay attention. You don't wanna go too far or you're gonna end up with butter. Soft peaks. Do you see how easy that is? You just can't get this out of a can. Fresh, homemade whipped cream. It's the all-American pie topper, and of course I love it over some fresh berries. Especially if you took the time to make a homemade dessert, take the time to make a homemade whipped cream. Or if you bought a store-bought dessert, top it with homemade whipped cream, and then you trick everybody. Now you know how to make homemade whipped cream. No more excuses. Perfection. They're then gonna tag me at all the recipes I use this. Now sometimes the recipes call for this and you can't use them interchangeably, but if you're just topping a pie or some fresh berries,